So given matrices A, B, and C, we need to find the result matrices of the given expressions. So let's start with the first part. So in the first part we have 2A minus B plus 2C. So it's 2 multiplied by matrix A minus matrix B plus 2 times matrix C. So here we will start by performing scalar multiplication. So we will multiply matrix A and matrix C by 2. When we do scalar multiplication of matrices, we just multiply each entry of the matrix by the scalar number. So we'll need to multiply each entry by 2. So we get 2, negative 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 0, 2, negative 2, minus matrix B stays the same, and plus, let me move this a little bit, plus, so we multiply matrix C by 2 as well, so we get 0, 0, 4, 6, 2, 0, 0, negative 4, 8. Well, now let's do the addition. Now, first we will subtract matrix B from 2A. When we subtract matrices, we just subtract the corresponding entries. So here we will get 2 minus 0, which is 2, then negative 2 minus 2, 4 minus 1, 6 minus 3, 8 minus 0, 10 minus 5, 0 minus 7, 2 minus negative 6, negative 2 minus 0, plus the last matrix stays the same. Let's do the calculations with the first part. So here we have 2, negative 4, 3, 3, 8, 5, negative 7, 8, negative 2, plus this. Now we will add these two matrices. Again, we just need to add the corresponding entries. So it's 2 plus 0, which is 2, negative 4 plus 0, which is negative 4, 3 plus 4, which is 7, 3 plus 6, 9, 8 plus 2, 10, 5 plus 0, 5, negative 7 plus 0, negative 7, 8 minus 4, 4, negative 2 plus 8, 6. So this is the result of the first expression. Now let's work with our second expression. Here we just need to add all three matrices. So matrix A, I'll just copy paste it like this. Here. So matrix A plus matrix B plus matrix C. Again, we just add the corresponding entries. I will add them all at the same time. So it's 1 plus 0 plus 0, then negative 1 plus 2 plus 0, 2 plus 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3 plus 3, 4 plus 0 plus 1, 5 plus 5 plus 0, 0 plus 7 plus 0, 1 minus 6 minus 2, negative 1 plus 0 plus 4. Let's do the calculations, and we get 1, 1, 5, 9, 5, 10, 7, negative 7, and 3. So this is the result in the second part. Now let's move on to the third part, part 3. Here we need to find the result of this expression. So it equals 4 times matrix C minus 2 times matrix B plus 3 times matrix A. So again, we start by doing scalar multiplication. So here we have 0, 0, 8, 12, 4, 0, 0, negative 8, 16, minus 0, 4, 2, 6, 0, 10, 12, oh sorry, 14, 14, negative 12, 0, plus 3, negative 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 0, 3, negative 3. Now we will do the subtraction. So we got 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 4 is negative 4, 8 minus 2 is 6, 12 minus 6 is 6, 4 minus 0 is 4, 0 minus 10 is negative 10, 0 minus 14 is negative 14, negative 8 plus 12 is 4, and 16 minus 0 is 16. Now we need to add these two matrices, and we got 0 plus 3 is 3, negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7, 6 plus 6 is 12, 6 plus 9 is 15, 4 plus 12 is 16, negative 10 plus 15 is 5, negative 14 plus 0 is negative 14, 4 plus 3 is 7, and 16 minus 3 is 13. So this is the result matrix in the for the third expression. Now let's move on to the last expression, to the fourth part of our problem. Here we need to find the value of AB minus C. So it's matrix A, let me copy paste it, matrix A multiplied by matrix B and minus matrix C So we will start by doing the matrices multiplication. In order to multiply two matrices, we need to find the dot product of the rows of the first matrix and columns of the second matrix. So here we get 1 times 0 plus negative 1 times 0 plus, 1 times 0, I was looking at the wrong column. So to find the first entry, we find the dot product of the first row and first column. 1 times 0 minus 1 times 3 plus 2 times 7. Next entry is the dot product of the first row and second column. So it's 1 times 2 minus 1 times 0 plus 2 times negative 6. Next entry is the dot product of the first row and third column. 1 times 1 minus 1 times 5 plus 2 times 0. In the next row, we find the dot product of the second row and first column. 3 times 0 plus 4 times 3 plus 5 times 7. 3 times 2 plus 4 times 0 plus 5 times negative 6. 3 times 1 plus 4 times 5 plus 5 times 0. 0 times 0 plus 1 times 3 minus 1 times 7. 0 times 2 plus 1 times 0 minus 1 times negative 6. 0 times 1 plus 1 times 5 minus 1 times 0. And we still need to subtract matrix C from this. So let's do the calculations. Here we get 0 minus 3 plus 14, which is 11. 2 minus 0 minus 12, which is negative 10. Then 1 minus 5 plus 0, which is negative 4. 0 plus 12 plus 35, this is 47. 6 plus 0 minus 30 is negative 24. 3 plus 20 plus 0 is 23. 0 plus 3 minus 7 is negative 4. 0 plus 0 plus 6 is 6. And 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5. Minus matrix C. So now we will do the subtraction. And we get 11 minus 0 is 11, negative 10 minus 0 is negative 10, negative 4 minus 2 is negative 6, 47 minus 3 is 44, negative 24 minus 1 is negative 25, 23 minus 0 is 23, negative 4 minus 0 is negative 4, 6 plus 2 is 8, and 5 minus 4 is 1. So this is the result in part 4.